Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another Rcharlance knife. This is the HS B003 and once again it comes just in a standard blade box, and let's talk about the design first. As you may probably know by now, this company is producing mainly borrowed or they copy designs of well-known brands, and this time they did copy a Poluchotki, so a Shirogoro Sienkiewicz collaboration. This knife did came out a few years ago as a limited edition of 200 pieces in full titanium, and by now the design was picked up by ZT. So you can go and check out the ZT0462. This is the full size, so this one, or there is also a smaller size, the 0460, also called the mini Sienkiewicz Poluchotki. So firstly, as you can see, this is a standard G10 construction with milled out nested steel liners and a aluminium backspacer. This is a nice flipper design, so it has nice ergonomics and will flip really nicely. The centering is a little bit to the right. It has just a folded steel clip, which is fairly pliable. Blued pivot screw with the unique hardware milling and the two screws on the scales. Okay, so let's talk about the measurements. The open or the full open length is 21.8 centimeters, so this is a larger knife. This translates to 8.6 inches. The blade is 8.8 to 9.6, depend on the measurement. So the closest or the smallest measurement is here from here, the largest from here to there. So this translates to 3.78 inches. The handle length is 13.1 centimeters or 5.16 inches. Then you have your blade thickness, which is 0.36 centimeters or 0.14 inches. And the weight of the knife is 123.6 grams or 4.36 ounces. The blade, as marked here, is made out of D2 with a nice satin brushed polish, and the flats are stone washed. The sharpness out of the box is really nice. Here is the contouring on the scale. And as you can see, there is only a small one part that is milled out, nicely reflected with the blue contrast. No milling on the other parts of the scale or insert. It dries on bearings, and for the price it is one of the most affordable Polochotki replicas out there. So let's talk about the pricing. So the price of the knife is somewhere from 18 to 12 dollars. So it depends on where you're buying it and what's the current pricing or maybe promotion. I will try to put a link down below, so if you like the design, then you can go check it out. Of course, given that this is a replica, I will strongly suggest then go and check out the ZT version or the ZT variant, because they are the real deal. If you have luck, maybe you can also find the original one, but given that that was only a 200 pieces run, really highly collectible, you will really hardly press to get one, and I'm not even trying to speculate what the price would be on them. Probably a couple of thousand US dollars. Okay, so nice Persian style blade. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.